Thank you for making business. Guys and girls, 420 pesos. Not bad. This could be my day 18 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into peso paper bills, Philippine peso paper bills. And this could be my day 18 for 1 million pesos saving challenge. Congratulations me. Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. Guys and girls, save money as always. Either coins or peso paper bills. Whatever. What's that? Strange. And kids. Thank you. Bye for now. Save money. Day 18 for 1 million pesos saving challenge.